the 2014 Ford Escape. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.